How to fix iMessage not sending on iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up settings. Inside here, simply scroll below, then tap on apps. Inside apps, search for message and then tap onto it. Now make sure iMessage is turned on. After that, you can simply tap on send and receive and ensure your phone number or email address is selected. Now you can simply refresh your network by simply turning on the airplane mode, wait for about 10 seconds and then turn it off again. After that, you can simply turn off iMessage, wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Wait for activation process to complete. After that, you can go ahead and simply tap on your Apple ID, scroll below, tap on sign out and then simply sign in again. After that, you can simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then close the message application, then reopen it. If the issue still persists, open up settings, tap on general, scroll below, tap on software update and make sure you download the latest version of iOS. After that, you can simply scroll below, tap on transfer and reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then select reset network settings. You can simply confirm this to reset your Wi-Fi data and messaging connection issues. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.